Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the extended battery with case for our portable active GPS tracker. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our extended battery for our portable GPS tracker. This extends the battery life from 8 hours of drive time to 80 hours of drive time, giving you 10 times the battery life. The weatherized case will keep your UFM safe from Mother Nature. This case features a 60-pound rare earth magnet, meaning it will not come off from a bump in the road. The extended battery with case for the portable active GPS tracker keeps your tracker safe from Mother Nature, and it gives you 10 times the battery life, making this an easy choice. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the extended battery pack and case will come with for the UFM GPS tracker. So let's go ahead and open that guy up. So we pop open the box here, and notice we got a couple different things for sure. So first thing I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is actually the physical battery itself and how we're going to charge that. So here we have the actual battery and we have our wall adapter. So what we're going to do is on the little battery here, we're going to notice right on the side, there's a little opening where we can actually plug that guy in. So we're going to take this, plug it in right there. And we will notice that on the front side of the battery, it's going to start lighting up with our LED indications. So when it goes solid green, that's going to mean that it is fully charged up to that point at least. So right now this battery is at 50% and it's going to take it about 6 hours to get up to 100. This battery does take 12 hours to charge completely if it is 100% dead. So saying that, obviously we would need to plug it in, charge it up. So let me go ahead, I'll show you everything else that it comes with real quick, and then I'm actually going to show you how to install the battery into the tracker, put it in the case, do all that fun stuff. So I'm going to put that to the side just for now. So on this right here, we'll notice that we do have a little rubber band and an Allen key. We're definitely going to need these, so keep these handy right off to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this real quick. So this is pretty much just a little step-by-step guide. They do show you how to actually insert the battery into your tracker and do everything there. So if you do get stuck, you can always feel free to refer to this if needed as well. So, okay. Alright, and then the last thing we have here is the case. So this is a fully weatherized case, and it does have a 60-pound rated earth magnet on the bottom here. So it is very strong, and it's definitely going to take a little bit of force to get it on and off the vehicle. Saying that, it's just a little latch, so it literally just latches down and in place, and then pop it up just like that to get her undone. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to put that to the side just for now. Okay, and then let's grab our battery, and we need the tracker. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install the extended battery into our tracker. First thing we need to do is we do need to take off this little back clip. So on the top here, it's pretty much like a little lock. You just want to pull it forward, and that's going to undo it from the physical unit, and then you just slide it up and off, just like so. So, and then here's where we're going to need our little Allen key. So, we're going to take that bad boy, unscrew it. Okay, and so when we take this out, we're actually going to keep this screw handy because we're going to need it in just a minute here. So we'll go ahead and take it actually all the way out, like so, and keep that right to the side. We're going to take off our little back panel. We don't need that anymore. And we're going to go ahead and pop out the 8-hour battery that it comes with, so because we're not going to need that either. Alright, so now before we do anything else, what we want to do is we actually want to reinsert the screw back into the tracker. This pretty much just secures the unit and keeps the two pieces in place here. That way we don't have to worry about it. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. Oops. Uh-oh. Butterfingers for a second. Alright, well, let's go ahead and finish screwing that back in real quick. I think the guy's in there pretty much all the way. Yep. Alright, perfect. Okay, so now we can actually insert the battery. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our extended battery pack here, and on the little side, If you look at it, we're going to have the 3 silver nodes essentially, and then on the inside of the tracker we have the 3 bronze prongs. We pretty much just want to match those up. So we're going to match that up just like so. Okay, so alright, and then this is why they included that rubber band for you. So what you're going to do now, take that, put it right over there. Okay. And then what you can also do is there's a little bit enough leniency to where you can double band over it. Ooh, a little hard to do with one hand here, let's see. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we pretty much have that all set and ready to go. We know the battery's nice and snug in there. We can pretty much install it and actually move on with our tracking. So now on the case side, we're going to pop that guy open. And this will actually insert right into the bottom part where it has the rubber padding. So we'll slide that in just like so. Should go nice and snug. And then you can pretty much just place this in there however you want. You just want to confirm that you have the hump facing upwards on this. You do not want your battery facing up. That's not going to allow it to transmit properly. So just make sure when you have it in there, it's in there just like that, nice and snug. You can literally close up your case, latch it down, and you're all set and ready to go. We do monitor the comment sections of our video, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience.